So hey guys, you're watching DroidCrunch. I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about Kling 2.6, which is now among us, and you can use it to create really powerful videos. And this time you can create videos with audio, natural and very perfectly synced audios. To be honest, the results that we generated were really unreal, and they were perfectly synced and they were awesome. So I will tell you the power of this model and how fast and how reliable it is. You don't have to include sound in your post productions. You don't have to include SFX, background music to make it real or look real, to make it more realistic. It is doing all the job for you. You just have to export and include in your edit, okay, and it is gonna do all the job for you. So I tested it using Hicksfield.ai, and I'm on this website right now, Hicksfield.ai Kling 2.6 audio, and you can see that the generated video looks really nice. You can see it is raining right now and the car is being driven on the road, and the sound is making it feel like it is really original, right? And this is not the only video. We have a couple of other videos and results here, like the lip sync is flawless. The character looks really natural when it speaks, and the model really syncs mouth movements to voiceovers with native precision. And you will have immersive ambience. It automatically generates environment sounds when there's any environment kind of stuff in the video, and it is high fidelity audio. You can export video with crisp, clear sound. No need to for external post-production, as I said, or third-party sound effect libraries. Cinematic coherence is also there. A unified model ensures that lighting, motion and sound all tell the same story without hallucinations, right? So that's the key of this model. So it doesn't hallucinate, and it gives you the perfect video that you want. The fidelity is very less, and movements, whether the video is having train, having someone running, it doesn't hallucinate or give you bad results. It is going to give you the results. Sometimes it gives you bad results, but yeah, you can improve your prompts, and like AI is AI, so we can't say much about it. Sometimes you may get very good results, and there are some instances where you may not get them, but yeah, this is really powerful. The model is trusted, reliable, and you can use it for your dynamic motion production, for your commercial video production, for hyper realistic generations, and all those such needs. So I'm going to show you what are the features of it. So it just takes for the inputs the text and a video or a image that you can give it to. So here I am on Hicksfield. I have this option. Clicking on this video, you will find this page where you can choose some sort of things like general, giant grabs or effects and all. So I'm going to use the general one at the moment, and you can upload the video as well here, the image to take reference of, and then you can write here the prompt, and you can include the audio. There is toggle whether you want audio or not, and then you can choose in the model Kling 2.6 and set the duration, whether you want 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and set the aspect ratio and keep it like that. Okay, it will give you better results. When you keep it like less, it will give you fast results, to be honest. So when you click on generate, it is going to take a bit of time, and then it will generate results something like this, right? And you can see I have created a video of an asteroid or a extraterrestrial object coming into the earth. See this one. Okay, and this is really awesome, and the videos have been very particular. See the noise in the background, and everything is perfectly synced, right? So you can create up to 10 seconds of videos with this, and you should use Hicksfield because it is giving you a lot of credits to do that, and it is also having like cyber weekend where you are getting like 70% off. If you buy this plan, you are going to get about like 1200 credits per month if you go with the ultimate plan, and you are going to get like unlimited Kling 2.6 video generations with this plan, and you can create as much videos as you want, right? This is shown over here, unlimited. And it's just not Kling 2.6. you are going to get all other models, all other features, and hell lot of features and effects. To be honest, you can create images, any type of image with any type of model, any video, and there are a lot of models you can go with and a lot of features in video. Whether you want to create an ad video by importing or including the product image, lip sync studio, draw to video, you can sketch the draw video and you will get the result, something like that. And sketch to video, UGC factory, very useful, and video upscale, Hicksfield animate, and recast studio. So tons of features and tons of models are available with Hicksfield. Hicksfield is not offering you any kind of application right now, so any application you are finding on Play Store or App Store are not of Hicksfield as of now. They have not officially announced any application so far, so they only have a web version, but it is really reliable, or you can use their website on your Chrome in your mobile as well, and it is really reliable, so no need to worry about that as well. But yeah, this is really powerful, and I have an application which allows you to generate the prompts, right? You will find link in the description, and we'll go to writer, and let me show you. Okay, so you will go to the writer and choose the preset video prompt engineer. Okay, and here you have tons of options. For example, the video prompt category, what type of video, and style primary, photorealistic, hyperrealistic, tons of options are there you can choose from, and mood primary, mood secondary, and camera style, lighting style, shot type, visual texture, how it should be like, and pacing, use case for the video, and then you will describe the idea, what type of video you want, and you can also leave some extra notes here, and that should be considered for the prompt generation. Then you can choose the language and the tone of voice and the creativity. You can leave tone of voice and creativity as edges, and language as well if you are keeping with the English, and you can also set these other options as none if you are not using most of them, and then you can generate. Okay, and these are the generations for my last prompts, and you can see I just copied from here and I just pasted here like this. Okay, and this was a result or something like that. Okay, and this is from VO3, and I uploaded the same one on Hicksfield as well. Let me show you. Create video, and here you can see, so this one is using this prompt from the application, so you can use that if you are worrying about prompt generation. But thanks to Hicksfield auto enhancement, so you don't have to worry about prompting. You just write your idea here and you will click on enhance on. Okay, it is currently enhance off, but you can use enhancement on and it will auto enhance the prompt that you are giving to it. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that as well, and choose 2.6 and you are going to get powerful videos which are really synced, and you don't have to do post-production to include sound or anything in the video. You can reliably use it. Ask all your editors, all your team. You can use this tool, you can use this model for video generation. It is new, it is reliable, and Hicksfield is giving you unlimited video generation with this model, so you should definitely check that out. I will leave a link in the description so you can quickly go ahead and start creating videos, create an account, and you will have access. Even if you use it for free, you will get 10 credits per day, and if you go with the unlimited plan, you are going to get unlimited videos out of the box. And so yeah, this was all for this video. If you enjoyed this one, please share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for watching more videos like this. And yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.